So over here, you can see that I have this video right here, and then you can see that I got the script for it as well. So let's say what I want to do is I want to go ahead and record these particular scripts right here. So if you want to go ahead and record it yourself, you can actually go to record myself on the individual scenes right here, or you can go to the record section and then go for voiceover around over here, just like this as well. So once you do that, you can see that the voiceover actually opens up right here, just like this. And then you can click on start recording and you can simply read off right here as well. So let me just go ahead, and here you can see that you can choose the microphone that you want to record with as well. So let's just go ahead and select out the line in that I have right here and start the recording. So now I can simply click on start recording. Then you get the countdown right here. Eat healthy and eat well. Then you can pause the recording right here and you can even preview it. Eat healthy and eat well. So you can restart it or insert it if you want. So once you insert it, there's the voiceover as you can see right here. You can place it wherever you want and press the play button right here to hear it out. Eat healthy and eat well. So similarly, you can go ahead and record out voiceovers for other scenes as well. And as you actually move this around, you can see the script right here, just like this for that particular scene. So let's just go ahead and click on record myself. And then I'm going to choose voiceover. And then I'm going to record this now. Eat foods which are delicious and healthy. Then you can go ahead and then preview it, insert it right here, just like this. And let's do the same for the last one as well. So let's just go around over here and I'm going to record myself and I'm going to choose voiceover, record. Choose from variety of options every day. Preview it, insert it, and there you go. And now you got the voiceovers right here, just like this. And that is how you can record out your voiceovers as needed inside of Google Vids. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.